So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you watched the previous video, you'll know that I had my colony swarm early, and fortunately I was here and noticed it, and I was able to catch it, and that was all on a previous video. So I'm going to transfer the frames over into the hive right now. I'm going to try and do it without smoke because they had a very traumatic day yesterday, and I'm going to try and make their life easy and try not to stress them much. Like I said, they had a very traumatic day yesterday, so I'm going to try and do this without smoke. And all I'm doing is transferring the frames over into this hive. And then I can put my bait hive back in place, because that's where they are right now. So, like I said, all I'm doing is swapping out frames. We've been in just a day, so I don't expect to see any work. If I see the queen, that's a plus, but I'm not dying to see the queen. I'm just going to concentrate on putting them in so that they don't get stressed. There's bees, lots and lots of bees. I know, you're all stressed from yesterday. Being gentle, don't want to damage your queen. What I'll do with this is I'll put it right there, and they'll find their way in. I'm a frame short. And there's your permanent new home, ladies. Welcome back to the neighborhood. So pleased you're here. And that's about it. I guess I should actually try shaking some of them in. There's none on the lid. There are a few still down in there. Let me see if I can shake some in. Yeah, we got some in. Yeah, that looks better. But I'm going to have to smoke them down, maybe. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to have to smoke them. I don't want to potentially damage the queen. That's it, go down, ladies. I know I can be annoying sometimes, can't I? Okay, let's push you out. Oh, I can't bend down. Yep. Let's push you forward just a little bit. Like that. Okay. I think you're good, girls. Did get a lot more out of the box. There's a few left in, but they will find their way up into the hive. You can't see the queen. Hopefully she was on one of the frames. They'll go in. So that's all I'm going to do with them. We'll leave them to calm down. And that's it. If you saw the previous video, you'll know that this was one of my colonies that actually swarmed. I was lucky I was able to catch it and bring them back home. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and we will see you on the next video.